Yeah.
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. Cause I got me for life.
Got me for life. Yeah.
I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold.
It's this way, not that far anymore. Before we enter my bunker, you must know, you must always follow my command.
Sure,
Okay.
whatever you say.
I think so. Wow, this looks like a decent place that you have here. Yes, my boy, it is. Oh, what's your name?
Brian, and yours?
Name's Ronan. You can call me Uncle Chubby.
Okay, so, Uncle Jimmy, what the heck
That
is
is
up?
the weapon hanger. That is the food storage. And that is the bunker bed. Sweet, bunk beds.
Ah, I choose the bottom. Ah, time to lie down. My back is paining like that.
I am quickly going outside back to my stand to get something. I'll be right. So, Brian, where'd you get the gun?
Duh, from the gun store.
What the hell?
Show me a good time, a real good time. And I heard it through the